Hey everyone, welcome back. I came to Walmart to complete my midweek harvest bonus. I got a bonus for redeem 12 offers, get a $5 bonus. These are all the items I picked up. I'm going to take you to the store, show you what coupons I used, and then we'll go over the final cost. These in the corner are just really cheap and free. So let's go to the store and I'll give you the final numbers at the end. First thing I'm going to grab is this freebie on the Pure Leaf cold brew tea. They're priced at $1.98. I'm going to buy it. Ibotta's going to give me back $1.98, making it completely free. I'm going to grab one of these Nestle Pure Life Fruity Waters. These are priced at $3.38. I'm going to use this dollar off of one that I printed from coupons.com. I'll be left to pay $2.38. Ibotta will give me back $1.50, making the final cost only 88 cents. And this is an 8-pack. So I'm going to grab another one of these Gerber Puffs. I've grabbed them in my last 3 Ibotta hauls. These are priced at $1.96. Ibotta's going to give me 50 cents, make it at $1.46. But when you purchase them 3 separate times, you get a 50-cent bonus. I thought I was going to get it in the last haul. It didn't give it to me. So hopefully I get it in this haul, making this one just 96 cents. This Country Crock plant butter is priced at $2.18. Ibotta's going to give me back 75 cents for buying this, and then Fetch is offering me 750 points or 75 cents, making the final cost of this just 68 cents. The regular Country Crock is also priced at $2.18. Ibotta's going to give me 50 cents for buying this. Fetch is offering me 1,000 points or $1, and then Checkout 51 also has a $1 rebate for this product, making this one a 32-cent moneymaker. I'm going to pick these Snuggle Exhilaration Scent Booster Packs again. These are priced at $3.97. Ibotta's going to give me back $2.50, making the final cost $1.47. I haven't tried this scent, so I'm going to grab this one because the last time I grabbed 2 of those. Next I'm going to grab the All Original priced at $4.74 and the All Free and Clear priced at $4.74. Both of those are going to total me $9.48. I'm going to use these 2 $1.50 off that I printed from coupons.com. That's going to leave me to pay $6.48 in the store. Ibotta's going to give me back $2 for the Free and Clear, $2 for the original, and a $2 bonus for buying one of each, making the final cost only 48 cents or 24 cents each. I'm going to do this deal again. Every time it resets, I try to do it. I can't find any more of the 47-cent cards, so I'm going to pick up 2 of these. These are gift card holders. They're priced at 97 cents. It's going to bring me to $1.94. Ibotta's going to give me back $2, making it free and a 6-cent moneymaker. These Bic Soleil Simply Smooth are priced at $3.27. We have these $3 off of one that I printed from coupons.com. I checked yesterday and it was still available. I'm going to use 2 of them, and the final cost for these will just be 27 cents each or 54 cents together. These Oral-B toothbrushes, the Fresh and Clean, are priced at $1.97. I'm going to pick up 2 of them, use these $2 off of one. It does say multi-packs 2 count or higher. It excludes the Healthy Clean, the Cavity Defense, and the Indicator. But this is the Fresh and Clean. I'm going to use 2 of them, and they'll be completely free and a 6-cent moneymaker. Here are the 2 Bic Simply Smooth razors at $3.27 with the $3 coupons. Here's the Oral-B at $1.97 with the $2 coupon. I did show you guys in the store that I had $2 off, but I don't know if I just forgot to scan it or if I dropped it on the way to the register. I was trying to scan the internet printable coupons, and they don't scan when I go through self-checkout. I have to use the gun in order to scan. Somebody did write a comment on my past Ibotta haul. I'll put a screenshot in here. She told me when you use the gun it works, so I tried it and it did work. But I at first had called somebody over to help me, so then I don't know if I maybe moved the coupon over or if I dropped it, but I didn't scan it. So this one cost me $1.97, and I will return that and then just get it on a Walmart gift card, and then that money will just go to my next Walmart Ibotta haul. So here is the Snuggle, the In-Wash Scent Booster Packs for $3.97. I did get a $1 bonus for this. I didn't mention it in the video, but I think when you purchase 2 on separate shopping trips, you get a $1 bonus. The All for $4.74 with the $1.50. The All $4.74 with the $1.50. The Christmas cards at 97 cents each. There is the Country Crock butter for $2.18. The Country Crock plant butter for $2.18. The Pure Leaf tea at $1.98. The Gerber baby snacks at $1.96. There's the Nestle water at $3.38 with the $1 coupon. My subtotal was $25.55. It should have been $23.55 if I had scanned that coupon. But like I said, I didn't. With tax was $28.11. I did use some gift cards and I paid $18.71. I got back $13.73 for the regular rebates. I got a dollar bonus for the snuggle. I got the $2 bonus for the all. I did not get the 50-cent bonus for the Gerber baby snacks again. I don't know why it's just not giving it to me. I've tried it in this haul and the last haul. So I'll just submit a ticket to Ibotta and hopefully they'll give me that 50 cents. I got back $1.81 on Fetch, 1,813 points. And then I got the dollar on checkout 51 for the Country Crock butter. So total in rebates was $23.54. Take that away from my subtotal, makes everything $2.01. I am going to return those toothbrushes for $1.97. So the final cost for everything that I picked up today is just 4 cents for 13 items. That does bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.